brand brings a clean summer-ready look to the Luka 4 with a new colorway inspired by the iconic Pure Money palette. Featuring crisp white, pure platinum, and metallic silver tones, famously used on the Air Jordan classics, the Luka 4 pays homage while adding its own modern twist. The upper combines breathable mesh with synthetic overlays in a tonal finish, complemented by subtle branding like Luka's stitched emblem and a star motif on the heel. A standout translucent icy blue outsole breaks from tradition, adding a fresh edge. The performance-focused build includes a Cushlon foam midsole for responsive cushioning and added support for Luka Dončić's dynamic playstyle. Sculpted lines and a subtle midsole gradient offer just enough visual flair without compromising its sleek, minimalist look. While an official release date hasn't been confirmed, the Jordan Luka 4 Pure Money is expected to drop this summer via Nike.com and select retailers.